Mahayuti's victory in the BMC elections 2026 is being seen as a major turning point in Mumbai's politics. This is because for the first time the BJP-led alliance has secured a clear majority in the BMC without the support of Uddhav Thakere's party, signaling a significant change in voter priorities. So here are 5 factors that helped Mahayuti in recording victory. First was focus on development over identity. The Mahayuti under BJP leadership ran an aggressive campaign focused on development. Issues like metro expansion, road infrastructure, cluster redevelopment, slum housing, and better civic services were placed at the center of the narrative. This approach resonated strongly with middle class and young voters who increasingly expect professional and efficient urban administration rather than identity-based politics. Secondly, Thackeray brothers' unity failed to impress people. Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray came together after 20 years, hoping their alliance would be a game changer. However, this couldn't convince voters. Emotional appeals that once worked in Mumbai politics appeared weak in the face of development-driven expectations. Another key factor was the division of the Marathi vote. It was split among Shiv Sena UBT, MNS and the BJP Shiv Sena Shinde faction alliance. This division gave Mahayuti a clear advantage, allowing it to attract both traditional and non-traditional voters. The BJP's strong booth-level planning, data-driven campaigning and focus on local issues further strengthened its position. And at the same time, the opposition's lack of unity and a common strategy worked in BJP's favor. Unlike the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, opposition parties failed to come together for these civic votes. Therefore, overall, BMC elections 2026 mark a decisive shift in Mumbai's political landscape, where voters clearly chose performance and development over identity and emotion. What are your thoughts? Do comment and let us know. And for more updates, stay tuned with India TV.